Hallucimi Therapeutical. So in here, we are having something that is giving the investors not a strong update. There's something here that is the biggest news from the second quarter results that was released in August 6th. And Halozyme reported record quarterly revenue of $481 million. The royalty revenue reached $308 million, supported by growing demand for medicine that use Halozyme's enhanced drug delivery technology. The company also raised its full year 2026 financial guidance. Halozyme now expected the total revenue to be between $1.8 to $1.9 billion. The company also expected adjusted EBITDA between $1.2 billion and $1.3 billion. This figure show that the management expect the strong business performance to continue through the rest of the year. One important part of the story is that the royalty revenue. So Halozyme receives royalty when the partner companies sell medicines using its technology. In the second quarter, royalty revenue reached around $308 million. This means a large part of the business is connected to product already being sold by pharmaceutical partners rather than depending only on Halozyme development and selling its own medicines. Several partners, in case of the medicine, they are contributing for this growth. The royalty from Darzalex and V-Guard continue to expand, while other products using Halozyme technology also add to the royalty base. Halozyme also continued to share repurchase program during the second quarter. The company repurchases about 4.8, nearly 5 million shares for around $330 million during the quarter. The company had previously announced a new share repurchase authorization up to $1 billion. There are also management development in August, and it has been appointed Danielle Apperhars to its board of directors. The company said she brings more than 20 years of leadership experience in biotechnology and pharmaceuticals, including operations, manufacturing, and supply chain experience. For investors following the company, the main story is therefore not one single product. The important point is that the growing royalty base. So it's continuing to use and enhance the pharmaceutical partner, the strong quarter results, and the financial guidance for 2026. There's also an important point to watch. The strong business results do not automatically mean the stock is cheap. After the strong move in the shares, the valuation has become an important part of the investment discussion. Some analysts have raised the targets following the second quarter result, while other valuation analysts has warned that the shares may already reflect a large amount of expected future growth. The takeaway for each one of us here is that the real business, they are supporting the story in here. We are seeing that there's a growth when it comes to the royalty is already established at pharmaceutical partners, and there's expansion to the use of drug delivery technology, and it seems to be the future as of now, and I think that's a good one.